My daily commute, Honda Odyssey, 14 years and over 160,000 miles. Everything works, except for the driver's side door lock. Well, it works if you can insert the key and turn it, but it doesn't respond to the key fob or the buttons, or even the command from my scan tool. Apparently, the culprit is the door lock actuator. The fix is very simple, in principle. Remove the door panel, take out the actuator, replace it with a new one, put everything back, and it works. But not so fast. Let's go through this replacement, step by step. Welcome to Professor's Garage. In this video, I will walk through all the details in simple steps to help you solve the door lock problem. If this video is ever helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more car care and repair contents. Without further ado, let's get started. Remove the cover here. Remove the switch panel. Press this until it clicks. Press and pull. The same here. Press. Okay. Hopefully you can see the screw right here. So between the door panel and the door, there is this connector. So press it and then remove, and then pull it out from the clamp, and then remove it from the plastic piece. So now we can completely remove the door panel. These can be really tight, try impact. Or you can use a ratchet, but make sure the bit is well seated before you turn it. So let's peel off the cover. A 10mm socket is required to work on any Honda vehicle. So with this removed, we can take out the window rail. Pull it down and take it out. Now remember the direction of how it goes in. Let's go in sideways and then go up, right, to support the window here. And down here at the bottom, this is where the screw goes in to secure it in place. Again, this is where the door lock is. And then if you go inside, it's connected with this rod. You can take off this, I believe, and then you should be able to remove it. Pop the clip, turn it out of the way, and then hopefully you can pop it. Okay, yeah, just have to move it out. But if you use your hand, sometimes it can be too tight. So get the panel removal tool like this, so you can pry it to pop it out. And then there is also another piece here. Plastic clip around here, and then you can pull it out. Now the two screws. The clip here. You just have to grab the other side of it and then pull it out. And there are a couple of connectors here You press and remove, but sometimes it can get stuck. So while you press it, pry it, press it, and then pry it, and then get it out. Take a closer look. This is the actuator, the door lock actuator we're about to remove. So let's get this out and replace it with the new one. Get this cover away. Now we have access to the actuator. Clips, one here, one on the other side. On each side, you want to pry the clip a little bit up and then push it out. Now, of course, you cannot push it all the way out. You still need to go to the other side to lift up the clip, and then the whole thing can be pushed out. This is the old one, the new one, and the old one. Holding them on my hands, I immediately feel that the new one, this one from Dorman, this is heavier. So hopefully this will endure a longer time. So out with the old and in with the new. If they do not align, you have to turn this a little bit. It goes all the way in. So this is the cable to the door pull. The other end of it connects to this assembly. So it's important when you put things back that you know the orientation and how things fit together. You first, of course, want to put this piece back. For the door pull to function correctly, you need to put this piece in this orientation. When this cable is pulled, this is going to pull the metal piece to release the door latch. If this is not the case, you're not going to have the tension for the door pull inside the car to work. I make this mistake, so I have to repeat this whole process again because I missed this part. Before we put everything back, test whether it works. Keep your fingers away from the moving parts, from the lock, basically don't get pinched. So it looks like it's working. Now this is in place. We need to put the two rods in there. You push this in, and then can turn the clip to secure it in place. Slightly on the other side. So from there, you can push this in. Plastic clip. It goes on. There's another angle. And now we are going to secure this in place. The window rail back in. So make sure it goes in this direction. Screw at the bottom to secure it. And also there are cables. So make sure those cables are around the rail so that when the window goes down, they are not in the way. This should line up with the hole here. So we are going to get this in. Now we are ready to put the door panel back. Connect the door port cable. Push this in, and then there's a clip to hold it. For this part, insert it into the hole here. And then again, there's a small latch or clip to hold the cable in place so it doesn't come loose. This space is very tight. You only need to insert and make sure it clicks. 2 connectors to the switch panel. Make sure they go through the hole so that you have access from here. First align. Push it down. There's a clip retainer here. Push it in place. Push it in. Wow, this is truly great! Finally, I can simply press the button to lock or unlock the car. It makes our life so much easier. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. If you do, consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button for future car care and repair contents. Remember, if the professor can do it, you can do it too. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。